I'm Professor G.L. Datta. I'm the Chancellor of KL University in Andhra Pradesh. I have come here to attend this eINDIA summit that is happening, that started yesterday and is continuing till today. Yes.
Tell us about the work which you are doing in India. How long have been you associated with the education sector?
My association with the education sector is more than 4 decades now. I started career as an educationist at IIT Kharagpur, having completed my education, engineering education, BTech, MTech and PhD from IIT Kharagpur. Then started as an engineering teacher at IIT Kharagpur. After my retirement and then post-retirement some assignment at IIT Kharagpur, then I got a call from KL University, which was born in 2009, to be the founder Vice Chancellor. So I joined there and then I started giving some kind of a direction to that particular university to become a university, to give them the idea of a university. And then now, having completed my term as university, Vice Chancellor of the university, I am now the Chancellor of that university.
So, how are you using the modern day technology at your university, and what are the different kind of technologies which are being used?
Yes, modern technology, see, there are different aspects, different types. One is modern technology for imparting education. Yes, in our university we have all the modern technologies, most of the modern technology I would say have been adopted. We have e-learning packages, e-learning sites being used on an extensive basis. We have virtual labs. We have purchased softwares which are helping us, facilitating in conducting labs in a virtual mode. We have our teachers who use in their classrooms some of the most modern gadgets like the smart board. You write something on the board and it gets digitized and then it shows. And then we have students who are having their laptops. We have 100% laptop with every student. So they use their laptop and they see what the teacher has written on the board. And then they have also that material stored in their laptop, so that when they go back to their hostel, to their homes, they can refer back and then study it. So students are given a lot of emphasis, a lot of tools, modern tools to make their studies. The teachers are also using modern tools, and then in terms of modern tools for conducting laboratory experiments or the laboratories, etc., yes, we have some facilities. Ours is a deemed university and private university, so naturally there are some limitations with respect to having very costly equipment, but we are trying to make use of other facilities. In conjunction with other universities, we have MOUs and all that, and that's how we keep ourselves updated, upgraded in terms of use of modern technologies.
As you said, KL is deemed to be university. So how long it takes for a deemed to be university to turn out to be a university, to get the cadre of university?
Okay, the answer is that there is nothing like graduating from deemed to university to university. These are permanent sort of tags that are given by our University Grants Commission, our Ministry of Human Resource Development. We have 2 types of universities. One is called university, which are set up by acts of parliament, legislative assemblies, etc. They are universities. The other universities which are allowed to be set up but through our system, when they qualify for a certain kind of criterion and all that, then they are given permission to conduct courses, give degrees on their own and type of things, and that is how they are called deemed to be universities. So ours will remain deemed to be universities unless our country again takes up a law in abolishing this particular one, and then I can tell you there is a move, because deemed to be university this term is not understood by the other people, especially the foreigners and all that, US, etc. They have raised several objections. They said, what is this deemed to be university? That is something like a second grade type of things. So hopefully our planners, our leaders in UGC and other places will one day abolish the term deemed to be and make university, give the title university.
Over the years, it has been seen that there is a lot of migration of the students towards this autonomous body and to the international institutes, parting the higher level education. So what are your plans? How are you preparing yourself to stay competent in this environment?
Yeah, you have very rightly said that there has been some kind of a move from the students. Some of the students who could afford, they were going for international kind of universities and all that, like US, etc. They have been moving. Yes, the moves that we have taken in our universities, our curriculum has been made at par with any curriculum that exists in the whole world. We are trying to upgrade our infrastructure facilities at par with anywhere else. Our teachers are highly qualified. In fact, we are very happy. Even in this particular seminar, people have been talking about shortage of faculty, not qualified faculty and all that. We have taken care, and then we have very good quality faculty here. So in terms of curriculum, we say that we are at par with any university in the world. In terms of delivery, we say our teachers are trained, the technologies are provided to them to deliver the material as it should be done in a modern technical scenario, and our teachers are qualified. So we hope, and then of course the other thing is we have a good number of MOUs with many foreign universities, and we are going for training kind of environment where our students will do 2 years with us and then 1 year or 2 years at other universities. So this is how we are planning.
Do you find any kind of restriction from the AICTE, UGC in changing if you want to change your curriculum, add few more international subjects, then there are some kind of restrictions from the governing body? The guidelines are such that the government universities, the deemed universities, are not able to cope up with that.
No, I would say it is the other way around. Universities expect that we should expand, we should have a curriculum, we should have courses which are sort of out of box type or not the general type. So they want something to be modern. In fact, that is the mandate given to us by the University Grants Commission. So we are very happy, and we are quite comfortable with the kind of environment that has been provided to us by the University Grants Commission in going all way in a modern way. Only thing is there are certain restrictions with respect to certain degree, the titles that are being given. University Grants Commission has certain titles, certain degrees already accepted by them. If we have something new in our mind, then that we have to submit to them. They will have their own review, etc. done, and then that also they said that in due course of time maybe permission will be given.
How has been your overall experience so far in this summit?
In this summit, I would say that it was really a wonderful experience. I would like to congratulate the organizers, the way they have organized it. Maybe like anybody else, I have also attended many conferences of this nature or of different nature. But this particular ones, there are certain very typical special features that I found. The kind of participation, is really amazing. I would say the people are very committed, I would say. We are looking for committed teachers, committed students. Here I found an environment where the participants are very committed. They have come with some purpose in their mind, and that is what I think the organizers have done that. Great, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure having word with you. Thanks a lot.